Hi, I'm Healing Means. Welcome to my channel and welcome to a vlog in a car video. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is Thursday and I am running my errands out and about, trying to get some stuff done. I know it's been like a long time since the last time y'all really seen me do like a video or whatever, and I'm sorry. This vlog in the car is just kind of like an update of what I've been doing, what's been going on. Y'all, I had to go back to my my dashboard clip-on camera holder, which is a little bit more jiggly and wiggly, because this thing that hooks on my rearview mirror, it got loose. It was loose, and then I took it apart trying to fix it, and then I just made it worse. So I'm gonna buy another one of those because I really like it. I got it from Grocery Outlet. It was somewhere between $4 and $7. I am obviously running errands that I don't have to necessarily get out the car, which is why I look like a bum. And it's okay. Like, I'm cool with it. It's okay. So it rained yesterday. That canceled my trail walk, and I was supposed to do the walk at home video. Y'all, I didn't do it. Today, I was like, okay, well, let me just make it up today. Well, it's been raining and misting and drizzling today. So, like, I'm not doing a trail walk today either. I purposely made myself get up out the bed just to run some errands, because I would have still been in my bed. It's only 10 o'clock in the morning, so it's not like it's really that late. But I should have been up and like moving and shaking, and I have not been. Yes, y'all, I need to comb my hair like real bad. I need to do a video. I've been planning on doing a video. I've been wanting to do a video. I haven't done a video yet. I had even thought about recording a video yesterday or today, because I was pretty much like reined in. I haven't done it yet, y'all. I'm gonna get with it. I have all kind of products laid out. I just need to pick which set of products I'm gonna use for my next wash day. The rain is discouraging though, because it's like go through a whole wash day, and you know, as soon as I step outside, even though I'm not really going nowhere, I mean, I did leave the house yesterday, I'm leaving the house today, I'm gonna be leaving the house tomorrow, but it's kind of discouraging to go through all of the time, not just the wash day itself, but everything it takes to record the wash day, edit it, all that kind of stuff. The whole process of a YouTube wash day, and then come outside and, you know, unless I have my hair tied down with a bonnet, a hat, an umbrella, waterproof, this and that, my hairstyle will be destroyed in a matter of minutes. And y'all know my styles don't even last the day, so let alone the night into the next morning. So I don't want to go through all of that. It's just kind of discouraging, kind of like a mental thing, discouraging. I go through all of that, and then the hairstyle will be done in minutes instead of like the few little hours that it was just gonna last anyway. So the garden, I have gotten some stuff done. Some stuff I recorded. You see, I did like a little video or some YouTube clips or some community posts with that. The rain also yesterday and today, and I think a little bit tomorrow, is holding me up with stuff on that. I did reorganize my seed storage containers, and I filed the seeds by sowing month, like which month to sow the seed so it could grow. Y'all, that's not working because it's the middle of February and I still have not sown any like new seeds. Like, I have the seeds that I sowed from my experiment, which those need to be put in the ground, or at least up potted out of those egg cartons into my silicone starter cups. I need to do that, like for real. I need to do that. I saw a little handful of black aphids on my elephant garlic. I'm gonna try diatomaceous earth. The thing with diatomaceous earth is that it works while it's dry, and because it's raining, if I sprinkled it on them now, it's not going to be as effective, or not effective at all, because the rain will just wash it away, or the rain will make the powder damp, and then it's not going to serve its purpose. So I'm going to try the diatomaceous earth before I start spraying stuff on the garlic. I eat the greens too. I don't just eat the bulb, I eat the greens too. And I just want to be careful about what I'm spraying on them, you know, if I plan on eating the greens, which I do. I have gotten out almost all of the seed requests. So if you looked at my old seeds video, I mentioned there, and probably also in a community post, I got a decent response for that. I got almost all of the seeds out except for, I think, like two. And for everybody that requested seeds, I put a little bit extra. Gave you a little land gap, put a little bit extra, and everybody packed it. So I hope you enjoyed it. You don't have to do a video. That's not why I did it. I did it because I wanted to do it. So you don't have to do a video. You don't have to like thank me publicly or what. It's not about that at all. I think I'm gonna do it again, maybe for March and April. I might do it again. Again, it's gonna be the old, it's old seeds now. If you want to try several different varieties of some seeds of some plants, you know, with a potential to grow, just for the cost of 2 envelopes and 2 stamps, just send me an email at healymeans@gmail.com. And then what you're gonna do is mail a self-addressed and stamped letter envelope to me, and I'm gonna use that envelope, put your seeds in, and turn around and send it right back to you. I didn't have time to write like little fancy cutesy little messages or whatever, y'all. I am function over fashion, as you can see. Just take a look at that video. It's gonna be from that same seed inventory. I may have run out of a few things, you know, since that video, but you can kind of get your list together between 5 and 7 varieties, and depending on what it is, how much seeds I have, you'll get between 3 and 10 seeds. Some of the smaller things like the cabbage and the broccoli, you're gonna get more than 10 seeds, because I want to be able to give seeds to everybody who asks for them. So just look for that probably in March. It's probably gonna be in a community post, or it'll be like a footnote in a video. Like, I don't want to have a video and label it giveaway, because I know YouTube have all kind of rules, and then it's just too much like hoops and back flipping and cartwheels and stuff, y'all, and I can't do all of that. So just look for a community post, or look for me to just mention something, you know, maybe for like 5 seconds in the video, so you gotta listen quick, but it's gonna be the same thing. Getting back to my hair, y'all, my hair is y'all, my hair is in serious need of help. I have been washing my hair, and I've been doing like the most minimalist wash days like ever. I barely been doing it. I've been so busy spinning my wheels, but I feel like I'm not making the progress that I should be making. My health and fitness journey has just completely tanked, y'all. It has completely tanked. I have to get it together, y'all. I got to get it together. The scale is definitely going in the opposite direction of what I wanted. And now I actually could see it, because before I couldn't really see it, but I see it, y'all. I see it. And what I don't want to do is like some knee-jerk reaction thing, you know. I'm only gonna eat lettuce for the rest of my life. Like, I'm not trying to do that, but I need to take some action, some moderate action, and some consistent action. I need to do something, because it done got out of hand. It been out of hand, but it done got out of hand to the point where I could see it. So, and that has really affected just my mood and my attitude, and just kind of like what I've been dealing with. It's starting to affect me And I notice it. Also, y'all, the schedule. It's the middle of February and I still have not adjusted to the schedule. And I'm having more and more things added to my schedule. Speaking of which, I might have a surprise for my gardeners. And depending on how this work, with the garden thing, I might also try to do it for the natural hair thing. But, you know, let me see. I have learned my lesson about speaking too soon on things, because I actually have something else going on, but I'm not going to mention it probably no time soon. I'm probably going to tell you like after the fact, like at the end or so close to the end where no jinx can affect it. But I'm learning to just keep things a little closer to the vest. I know this was a quick video. It was all over the place. But I wanted to get on here, you know, proof of life. I'm still alive, y'all. I'm still well. I'm just dealing with a lot of stuff. It's hard for me being in that state to record videos. Y'all, the focus and the concentration that it takes for me to do a wash day video, in the mood that I want to be in and portray when I'm doing a wash day video. Because with garden videos, like, it's different. But when you're doing a wash day video, to me, you have to be just even more so just like focused. Like you gotta be there. You really gotta be there. And I want to be there. I haven't been there, which is why I haven't been doing no videos. Why do people follow so close behind? Oh my gosh, I hate when people do that. Like, they in the back seat, they like in the video. Ladies and gentlemen, that's all I have for this video. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. Click that notifications bell. Make sure it is set to all. Like, comment, and share with everyone you know. And until next time, be safe, be well, and be blessed.